days to speak to the young people about the cultural heritage, the identity, the history, where they come from, and to tell it in their language, that is technology. So for us, this kind of technology, hologram, first time in Albania, it was totally supported because we think that we should talk to the people, talk to the young people and to the children in such language. So we are so proud that we were one of the big supporters of this project, and thank you that you made it all possible.
Tirana Universitet. Tirana është një histori dashurisë.
And meeting Relsson, it was like making our dreams or making our expectation to raise the top. I don't know what after that it will be, because it's so great that I cannot have the imagination how can be more than that.